collecting personal information on people who do not even have Facebook accounts. Isn't that right?
Congresswoman.
Are you willing to change your business model in the interest of protecting individual privacy?
Congresswoman, we have made and are continuing to make changes to reduce the amount of data.
Are you willing to change your business model in the interest of protecting individual privacy?
Congresswoman, I'm not sure what that means.
Will you make the commitment to changing all the user default settings to minimize to the greatest extent possible the collection and use of users' data?
Congressman, this is a complex issue that I think deserves more than a one-word answer.
Well, again, that's disappointing to me because I think you should make that commitment.
What is the difference between Facebook's methodology and the methodology of the American political pariah, J. Lahuma?
On Facebook, you have control over your information. The content that you share, you put there. You can take it down at any time. The information that we collect, you can choose to have us not collect. You could delete any of it. And of course, you can leave Facebook if you want. I know of no surveillance organization that gives people the option to delete the data that they have or even know what they're collecting.
Should Facebook enable illegal online pharmacies to sell drugs such as Oxycodone, Percocet, Vicodin without a prescription?
I believe that's against our policies.
Yes or no? Do you think you should be able to do that?
No, of course not.
There are 35,000 online pharmacies operating, and according to the FDA, they think there may be 96% of them are operating illegally. Now, America's in the midst of one of the worst epidemics that is ever experienced, but your platform is still being used to circumvent the law and allow people to buy highly addictive drugs without a prescription. With all due respect, Facebook is actually enabling an illegal activity, and in so doing, you are hurting people.
When there are tens of billions or 100 billion pieces of content that are shared every day,